Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can link internally between boards in your workspace on Whimsical. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your board, and it works almost the same way as adding hyperlinks. Navigate to your board, select link here, but instead of, let me just show you how to do it. So click into it, but instead of entering, for example, the URL address, select an internal destination, like a file or folder, like for example, I don't know, can link to that document here, and then you would see the link here, right? And you can, for example, resize that internal link. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the internal link. So yeah, you can move it here, and the internal link placeholder, yeah, position it where you like. And you might also click into it and then remove that link here and enter the URL, but that's something we discussed already in a separate tutorial, how you insert external links, so that's not what we're talking about here. So internal linking works the following way. So if you want to add a new link, you will need to use this option here again, and then choose or look or browse through your library and to find the board, for example subfolder, right? So let me link to that folder and you will see the placeholder here. Now this placeholder is going to link me to that subfolder within my team. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.